Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Senior Judge of the Supreme Court, Justice Qazi Faez Isa, in a non-political speech, addressed the National Constitution Convention on Monday, saying the apex court stands with the Constitution. The National Assembly, under the leadership of Speaker Raja Pervez Ashraf, is celebrating the 50th anniversary of the Constitution of Pakistan 1973, a landmark document that laid the foundation of a democratic and progressive society in the country. The anniversary also comes as the country's top institutions butt heads with political, economic, and constitutional crises, all raising the spectre of instability. Justice Isa finds himself in the middle of an ongoing tussle and deepening divisions within the apex court, made glaringly obvious by the events over the past few weeks surrounding the SC. The senior judge in his speech, however, maintained that he was present at the NCC not to deliver a political speech, but because he wanted to state that he and the SC stood behind the Constitution. He also said his colleagues may have not chosen to come due to prior commitments. He also distanced himself from the political statements made at the forum, explaining that it may be that the cases of those in attendance might come before my court, and I might have to decide against them. Holding a copy of the Constitution in one hand, Justice Isa said, "The book is our identity. It is Pakistan's identity." Addressing the attendees of the convention, the SC judge said that all participants were politicians who looked at matters through a perspective which was different from his, as he looked at all issues through the lens of the law. He maintained that the parliament and the bureaucracy should be focused on serving the people and lamented that sometimes we don't hate our enemies as much as we hate each other, as he questioned the reasoning for such behavior. Our job is to make decisions according to the law and the Constitution, and your job is to make laws which are beneficial for the people. The job of the executive is to implement the said laws and policies. Commending the Premier for designating April 10 as a National Constitution Day, Justice Isa urged the participants to embrace the Constitution as it talks about the people's basic rights. The most important thing the Constitution talks about is people's basic rights. The SC judge added that Pakistan's constitution talked about certain fundamental rights that were not talked about in many other countries.